Daang-daang miyembro ng LGBTQIA+ community, allies at supporters ang nagsama-sama sa Nepo Center, Angeles City para sa isang makulay at makabuluhang celebration ng pride, equality, and inclusivity. This is Pinanari Uprise Pampanga Pride Fest 2026. Ang event ay pinangunahan ng JCI Angeles City, Kulyat, katuwang ang JDN Realty Group sa ilalim ng Walk with Pride 2026 Area 1 campaign. Agad na mararamdaman ang positive energy sa paligid mula sa makukulay na outfits hanggang sa mga mensaheng nagtutulak ng acceptance at self-expression. Isa sa mga pinaka-aabangan ay ang Pride Parade na nagbigay kulay sa buong Nepo Center. Mayroong ding Pinanari Diva Competition, live performances, drag shows, cultural presentations, award presentations, at iba't ibang advocacy booths na nagbibigay information tungkol sa support services at inclusive initiatives para sa LGBTQIA+ community. Bonus pa rito, kasabay din ang Pampanga Taste Fest. Kaya naman, enjoy ang mga bisita sa food trip habang nakikilahok sa Pride activities. Ayon kina Junie Serrano at Louie Lester, mahalaga ang mga ganitong pagtitipon dahil ipinagdiriwang nito ang pagiging totoo sa sarili.
This event po is very important to us since also this is our first time po na mag-join ng type of event like this. Exciting.
Sobrang liberating po niya since po na-express po namin yung nararamdaman namin, para nagpapakita po namin kung sino po talaga kami as a person. I hope po lahat po ng tao na kaya pong i-express yung sarili nila po in the future.
Sinabi naman ni Gab Agustin na heartwarming makita ang mga event na nagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa komunidad na magtipon at magpahayag ng malaya.
Honestly po, it feels so welcoming and heartwarming kasi po we're able to meet with a lot of people na that's in the same community as us, especially because for the past years, for the past centuries, we've been so oppressed and we've been forced to hide our identity. So now that we can be open about it, it's just so heartwarming that we can celebrate Pride Month with everyone else in the community.
Para kay Ryzen, malaking bagay ang pagkakaroon ng safe space kung saan maaaring i-express ng bawat isa ang kanilang tunay na pagkatao.
I feel like this is a safe place because they conducted this kind of event for us to feel safe to express who we are to them.
At para naman kay Maddie, walang dapat ikatakot o ikahiya sa pag-express ng gender identity.
I think it's really good that a lot of the kids now are able to express their identity and their gender and their sexualities. You know, like I said, a lot of homophobia in the past, and it's good. I think we can express that more freely now, and I'm really proud of that.
Ayon sa mga organizers, layunin ng taon ng Pride Fest na palawakin ang awareness, acceptance, at equal opportunities para sa LGBTQIA+ community. Ipinahayag naman ng JDN Realty Group ang suporta nito sa mga programang nagtataguyod ng diversity at inclusive community building. Ang Pinanari 2026 ay hindi lamang selebrasyon ng kulay at saya. Ito rin ay paalala na ang bawat tao ay may karapatang maging totoo sa sarili, mahalin at tanggapin. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.